Just got off the train in Leipzig. I flew to Berlin and took the train to Leipzig. And now I'm going to try to find Jan Scheffer. You rolling?
It's about.
So nice to see you again.
Yeah, so nice to see you.
Yeah, so nice to see you.
It's the kind of competition who got a camera first in the hand.
yeah.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, oh, so nice to see you.
Really good. Come in and find out.
Remember to make some content too.
Yes. Voila.
Voila. To the right here. So that's for the hill climb. Yeah.
Yes, in 2 or 3 days we go to the hill climb with this bike, and I built it last year. I think last year I started build it, and now I'm nearly ready.
Yeah.
The airbox isn't ready. A few suspension parts I have to change. The chain is not perfect, but it's running pretty well and it's really fast. I did a test ride a few days before and crazy how fast this bike is.
This is your like old race engine, isn't it?
Ah, it's not. No, it's not the old race engine. It's a tuner battle engine. It was from last year's tuner battle.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 70cc and I got I think about 42mm carburetor on it, but
Yeah.
70cc.
Nice.
Yes.
But extension on the. That's because it's hard mounted, so there's vibration.
Yes, there was some vibration problems, and when I have this parts on it, then I solve the problem.
It solved it, yeah.
Yes. What is this?
Nope.
It's from the airbox to the carburetor.
Yeah.
And it's a simple thing. It's not the original one from Simpson, but it's made from a company.
Is that like shaped like that inside too? No.
No, yeah, it is built like that you can put it on because it's too hard, but it brings it gains really a little bit of power. But
yeah.
Look at what is on now and why.
Oh shit! So that's like oh, so you have the it's shaped like a proper.
Yes, the air comes in the hole. It comes from the outside.
From everywhere.
Yes,
you know,
it's not like a tube.
No.
Yes, it comes from everywhere.
And that you make more power with this than.
I show you the course. I open it, and everybody say it makes no difference. I say yes, should make a difference because on every race bike you can put a plate behind the carburetor and get
really close,
really close, and the power stays the same.
Yeah.
So this have to change something.
Yeah.
Maybe better, maybe worse, but
yeah, show me.
that changes. And I think it's really interesting. I tried a few days before, and that's the difference. That the red one is with the bigger.
Oh.
So that the air can come from the side.
So it makes like a big difference here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a bit. It's about on this place. It's about 10% of power.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think it's not that bad.
No, it isn't. It's it's a big difference for something as easy to do as that, you know.
Yes, and it's only the first try, so we want to try a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because when it does something like that on a small carburetor, it's only 60mm carburetor.
Yeah.
In the same body, we also go up to 21mm. Then it have to do a way bigger difference, I think.
Yeah, it might be making much more of a difference in something where you need more airflow.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Something I thought about my shoes. I need old shoes because when we do the 24 hours race, there's dirt everywhere. And I put my good shoes on.
Yeah, well, I've got my kind of bad shoes, so that's okay. Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Ron.
Yeah, okay. You did like the t-shirts and stuff for me. And
Yes, the Bonville shirts.
Yeah, really nice.
Yes.
Really nice.
Yeah, you liked it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
really nice. The other guys on the team too thought it was like really Really nice.
We made this special for you today.
Oh, nice.
That's 2 strokes, 1 passion.
Oh, nice.
We have it with your logo as well. On the back too.
Oh, cool.
That's
cool.
The design is from me, the two-stroke.
Yes.
Nice. This with the exhaust and stuff like that.
Really nice.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, thank you. That's really cool. Really cool. Awesome.
So, but Ron,
Yes.
you also have fine coffee here.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks.
Welcome. Absolutely.
And, really cool shop.
Thank you.
Now we're at Zalewatec and we're gonna cast, well, print and cast my cylinders, print the molds and cast cylinders and my case. So this is really interesting. Hey, man. Zalewatec. Hey.
Hi.
Alex.
I'm Danny.
Danny. Okay.
Yes, the video man from Jan.
Oh yeah, you're the camera guy.
He's the camera guy. He's the professional guy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the guy I told you yesterday I love so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. One day I'll get the cameraman myself.
Hey, they buy the car.
It's your money.
Yeah, we start here, wait. We have when we go to an event, I need a t-shirt. VUP, very important. Very important person.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
No,
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Nice to see you again, man.
Hi.
Nice to see you again.
Hi, Alex.
Hey, nice to see you.
So, if you guys like, we can take a first look at the molds that we have already printed.
Yeah, that would be cool. Really cool. Yeah.
Here are some of your future fast cylinders, and Christoph is already preparing these for the pouring tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, this is your central core.
Yeah.
And it's really hard to clean out all the channels from the loose sand.
Like
you can
we talked
see
about.
that the wall thickness here of the sand. So these are the ingates where the aluminum is rising from the channel upwards into your cylinder, and everything is so thin.
Yeah.
Also, Christoph designed the whole core or all sections of the water jacket. They have a hollow pipe within them, so
Amazing.
that we have a perfect degassing of the core,
nice.
because the filling will be very swiftly.
Yeah.
And we are afraid if we have such isolated sections of your water jacket like here,
They'll get shut off.
that the gas cannot diffuse out of the core marks properly. So we just support that with these hollow channels.
So now there's hollow channels inside of the tiny little...
Yes, I think Christoph also broke one of the cores to check if the cleaning strategy was successful.
yeah.
So Christoph, maybe we can take a look.
Okay, so that's the tool for...
Yes, you can go down
to get the sand out of everything.
out of the core.
Yeah.
Sunsteel have no chance.
No.
No chance to get this.
They use a sand 3D printer to make these molds. It's kind of like laser sintering, but with sand and resin and not metal. Pretty cool stuff.
What we are doing now is that we will create a print job. You have the build volume 1800 per 1000 per 700 millimeters.
3 parts, that's the actual like molds, and then there's like a riser thing. And
This is an insert for our pouring basin, because with this diameter on top, we can regulate the metal string. So what we are calculating before starting the construction work of on the mold, we do a calculation on the filling speed.
Yeah. Okay.
So if we know that your cylinder has a weight of 1 kilogram, we decide, okay, what should be the rising velocity within the mold cavity, and let's say, okay, we want to rise it 2 centimeters per second.
Yeah.
If your cylinder has a height of 10 centimeters, so it takes us more or less 5 seconds as a rough calculation.
Kannst, wenn du willst, also ich weiß nicht, ob das zeigen willst.
This is our designing sketches.
The data sheet I come from Sterwan to design the pouring system.
There you can see the degassing channels, for example, of your core, and also some areas which might get very complicated afterwards with the cleaning. So below 2 millimeters of wall thickness on the casting gives us a hard time to clean the cores properly, but we were aware of this, so that's why we all before we made some tests with the cleaning, we broke one core just to check if we can get it done. So yeah.
Awesome. You could fill up this whole volume with parts if you wanted to.
Yes.
Yeah. Just stack them on top of each other.
But today we will focus on your part. Fine. The layer height. So we have the 0.28 millimeters in height.
To the printer.
It sounds a little bit like to the Batmobile.
Printer.
Printed throughout the night and finished this morning. And yesterday we were a little bit late with the job preparation of that one. So I was a bit worried that we would not make it in time until you will arrive. And we will put it into the right job box.
Awesome.
You should. Command him to do a test print. Okay. So this is what you can see here. This is only for the reason to do this is to check if we have a problem with some of the printhead modules or if we are losing nozzles.
Okay.
So if the black line in the back is if there's a white stripe, we would have a problem. So white stripes equals problems. Not their music, but in the front we have the fresh sand. The blue silo in the back is our recycling sand silo, where we suck up the sand between the molds, so the residual sand, with a huge vacuum cleaner up there. This recycling sand will be reintroduced to the printing process. Okay. That's why we are working with different recipes. And so we have only a very, very small amount of waste that we have to
throw away.
After each layer, the printhead is going on up to 4 stripes over the print bed. And you already can see that the chemical reaction starts. It changes the color. It goes, or our Rennick resin changes to the green color. So first it becomes a light yellow, and then it's getting more and more green.
So I was talking to Stefan here about what it would cost someone to cast cylinders like I've done now. Like, say I wanted 5 cylinders, and And I think the price might surprise you. So can you tell me, like, there's two parts of it. There's like the setup cost, the one-time cost for, and that was, you said like about 500 euros.
It differs on the complexity, so your cylinder was quite complex and we need to introduce all these boreholes within the core
stuff
to
like that.
have the gas release done properly, and so 500 is already a huge cost for a basic setup to have the mold construction done.
Yeah, so pretty much like that. You probably
Usually
want
it's lower
than that.
A bit like 400, 450, 350. So that is for a casting like that a usual range.
Usual range, and then per cast cylinder, you were saying about 100 euros per. Roughly.
This would be the intermediate pricing for the printed mold.
Yep.
So it depends on the dimension, of course. For bigger cylinders, we are maybe at 120 euro. For smaller ones, maybe at 80 euro. Yeah. So 100 could be as a rough estimation. So it's a good orientation. And then you have the costs for pouring, for the metal, for the fettling. Heat treatment and shot blasting. So that is on, usually we are at more or less 20 euro per kilogram, but of course your cylinder, for example, is very lightweight, but we still have a lot of, we have to do the fettling and the heat treatment, so the labor work is, the percentage of labor work is much higher than the percentage of material pricing, so maybe in your situation we would be at 25 or 30 euro per kilogram.
Yeah. So we're talking maybe so say you could probably get, for under 1,000 euros, you could get maybe 3 cylinders. Four cylinders.
Of your type, most probably 4.
So a cylinder of my type, four pieces before machining, 1,000 euros, and that's a good price. That's surprisingly inexpensive.
Carefully with the first cleaning.
It's not cured properly yet.
Exactly. We removed the attached sand so that residual humidity from the reaction can evaporate much easier. But you need to pay attention that you don't push the sand mold too much with the brush. In extreme cases, we don't even ship the cores to our clients unpacked, but they are printed within a box made of sand.
Okay.
So that they can't, or they are buffered still by the loose sand in between.
Oh, you ship them with the sand.
Exactly. In that way, the client needs to perform the unpacking, the cleaning at their own facility, but at least you can get the cores there safe and sound.
Is this like good enough? So now we're at Frank's place, and he says his shop is kind of chaotic, but I'm used to chaos. Come in. Oh yeah, I can feel welcome here, I think.
Come in, you're welcome.
Oh man, it's pretty cool. Nice place. Lots of stuff.
I think anything you do, right?
Good.
Nicht gut.
Hell yeah!
Hier siehst du, wie schön sauber versucht wird.
The metal could exit from underneath
yes.
the basin, because there we have the air release from the bubble trap, and it still went up there, and then underneath it came out, so the viscosity is so low. But I mean, there's nothing like the viscosity is still low.
Oh la la! Alles, was sich da drum dreht. Nicht nur die.
Die Mäuse. Oh, he's happy. Ich will Kuchen. Weil man darf das natürlich nicht teilen.
Success. There's a slight defect in between the A port, the A transfer, and the auxiliary exhaust duct or port, but that will be machined away. Checked it with the gauge here. So first casting success. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Danke, mein Freund.
Ja, ich hab eine viel bessere Kiste.
Ja, schön aber anstrengend.
Für den Zylinder eine viel bessere Kiste.
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Ciao.
So now we're leaving, and 3 cylinders are cast, and now it's heat treating and casting some more cylinders and the cases. And so unfortunately I can't bring the cylinders with me because they need to be heat treated, and they're gonna make more, and the case. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. So
Next week.
thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Diejenigen, die schreiben euch dann die Gruppen runter beim ersten Gleis und gucken nach, Wammler, wickeln statt Bier trinken, schön ausgeber. Sie haben aber noch schlecht geschrieben, meine Fresse. Der geht anders ab, der geht anders ab. In die Ente, jetzt die Enten bitte. Ja, der steigt, der steigt. Sind so lang.
You ready? Ready, Jan? Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Tell me, yeah. Hell yeah, brother!
I missed it a little bit because I go into the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Too much bumps.
You're still top of the hill.
Yes,
still top
but
of the
next
hill.
time around, hopefully I come.
I'll get over. Yeah. Okay, I'm here with some girl who did a hill climb just now.
Yeah,
really crazy stuff. Yeah.
My name is Quichi.
Quichi. I'm gonna put a link in the description so people can see.
It's not easy in English.
No, cool. So why do you like? Are you like a two-stroke fanatic? What's going on here?
Yeah, it smells good. It's a good sound.
Oh, you like the sound of two-stroke? Oh yeah.
It's a very good sound.
Oh yeah, cool. Nice. Hell yeah, Professional racer. Huh? Yeah.